I'm going to show you how to make this Valentine's card. This Valentine's card has a fun surprise inside. When you open it up, it has these 4 hearts. So I'm going to show you how to do the inside first. So you're going to start with a piece of copy paper, 8 by 8, and you're going to fold it in half. And fold it in half again. And then you're going to fold it diagonally. This way, so that you have the fold and 2 folds down here at the end. Then you're going to trim. Let's see, where did my scissors go? I'm gonna use these scissors then. You're gonna trim off the top like an ice cream cone. And then you're gonna make sure it's gonna fit inside your card. So this is a little bit wide. So I will kind of cut some of this off. And we'll see if this will fit. There we go. And then I'm gonna stamp on the inside a little message. You can decorate the inside however you want. So I'm gonna do some stamping in real red. I'm gonna stamp this little sentiment here, wishing you love and laughter forever after. And then some hearts on the top and the bottom. And then I'm gonna leave the rest blank so you can write a little message in there. This is from the Heart to Heart stamp set right here and then here, but it's also got these lovely flowers and a label that coordinates with one of our label punches, and then Happy Valentine's Day that I'm going to emboss. But first, I'm just gonna fold this back into itself. Fold this one. So I'm gonna fold it differently so that it opens up. I'm gonna fold the 2 side hearts in towards each other, like so. And then we get this nice point here. And then I'm gonna use some snail adhesive on the back and all the edges. And I'm gonna put this on the bottom of the card with the point at the crease. And then put some adhesive on this side. And then fold that down. And then when you open it up, you have this fun flower. So for the front of the card, I have used a piece of Whisper White cardstock, 4 by 5 1/4, that I'm gonna place on top of here. And I've used the tufted embossing folder to emboss it to give it some nice texture. I also have these heart punches that are in our new mini catalog, and I've already punched out 2 hearts and they layer perfectly together. So these are really fun punches. They coordinate and come in a bundle with the heartfelt stamp set. So it punches out this heart and this heart and this heart. You can do all kinds of fun Valentine's and love and friend cards. So now I'm going to find my dimensionals and put some dimensionals on here. So just put it up here. And then I'm gonna get a piece of black cardstock and my embossing buddy. And then I'll use the stamp and Versamark. It's so funny, I have a huge table here and I always end up stamping in such a small space because I put everything on the thing and then I have no space to stamp or work. I don't know how it works out that way. So I'm gonna stamp this in the middle. And then I've got some white embossing powder that I'm gonna pour on here pretty generously. And we've got our Happy Valentine's Day, and so I'll use my heat tool to emboss it. Now the other side. Very nice. And then I might want to trim that up a little bit so it's a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna get my little mini paper trimmer. So cute. And I think I'm gonna trim a little bit of that. This mini paper trimmer is available when you buy a starter kit and sign up as a demonstrator. You will get it for free as part of your kit. So it's a great time to join my team. I'm gonna do a little bit more. You can go to my website, eStampin.com, to check it out. Okay, looks good. And then now I will use the triple banner punch, a little bit different from the other card, to punch these two ends. And I'll just put a little bit of adhesive in the middle. We've already got 2 layers of dimensionals right there. Yep. And then the last step is to use some of our gorgeous satin real red ribbon and just wind that around the card. And then we'll trim that. Give myself some room to work here. And then we'll just tie a nice knot. To tie a nice knot, I do right over left, left over right. And then my trick is to hold one end. So hold this side and pull the other side. And see how that creates a really nice little knot there. And so we'll adjust it so that it's in the middle. There we go. And we'll trim it up a little bit. Make it shorter. And there's our card. So fun Valentine's card with the fun surprise inside. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you make one of these surprise Valentine cards for yourself. And go to my website, eStampin.com, to check out my blog and to order all the products you've seen used in this video. Thanks so much for watching.